will work on the thought trend of attention need. Thought current of attention need, the energy center, heart center. When there is a constant need for attention and approval of others inside you, your heart center is blocked. You will constantly be craving for attention from others when you are not authentic about who you hold yourself to be for yourself. Please listen here. Please listen. You will constantly be craving for attention from others when you are not authentic about who you hold yourself to be for yourself. Means your inauthenticity with your mamakara, who you feel as you. If you are inauthentic to it, you will be asking for attention. If you are inauthentic with your mamakara, let me define the next important truths of living enlightenment. The second important truth for living enlightenment, authenticity. Authenticity means being established and responding to life from who you believe yourself to be for yourself, who you believe yourself to be for others, and what others believe you to be for them. Listen. What you believe as yourself for yourself, mamakara. What you believe as yourself to others, ahamkara. And what others believe as you, anyakara. Authenticity means being established and responding to life having all the three in tune. Authenticity is you living to the peak of your capacity every moment of your life as per your understanding of your peak capacity and others' understanding as your peak capacity. Authenticity is you living to the peak of your capacity every moment of your life as per your understanding of your peak capacity and others' understanding as your peak capacity. Who you believe yourself to be for yourself means mamakara. Who you project yourself to be for yourself means mamakara. To the peak of your capacity and to the peak of please listen, to the peak of your capacity is mamakara. Second, who you believe yourself to be for others means how you project yourself to others. To the peak of your capacity is ahankara, who others believe you to be. To the peak of your capacity, as per your understanding of peak of your capacity and others' understanding of your peak of your capacity is anyakara. Let's work step by step on all these three. First is mamakara. Your mamakara is directly connected to your anahata chakra. When you are not integrated and inauthentic with your mamakara, your heart center will be blocked. Please understand. Listen. When you are not integrated and inauthentic with your mamakara, what do you feel as you? Your heart center will be blocked. When you restore integrity and authenticity with your mamakara, your heart center will be awakened and pure loving energy will overflow through you.